In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Solana to USDT in Binance. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Binance app, and then on here at the bottom middle it says trade. So you want to tap on the trade button, there we go, and then at the very top left it says convert. So you simply want to tap on convert. And in here, we now have to set that we're converting from Solana to USDT. So first, where it says from, tap on the coin that's selected, and then tap on Solana. So search for Solana. I have it over here at the top, but still you may have to search for it. There we go. Tap on Solana. And then down at the bottom, it says to, and then you want to find USDT. So just click on whatever there is, and then you want to look for USDT, there we go. And then when this pops up, so it'll load in a few seconds, there we go. You then want to press USDT, and that's the first part. Now, after you do this, you simply want to just paste in how much you want to essentially trade. So for example, I'm going to do 1 Solana, and then it's going to say 2 USDT, and it's going to basically just kind of render, and it will show you how much you will get. So just like that, there we go. Down at the USDT, this will essentially just go through and then show you how much you will get. Now, after that's done, you can simply press on trade at the very bottom, and after you do this, you can confirm the transaction, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.